Hello guys, my name is Vishwas Aital. I hope you are all doing fine. So for today's problem for Leetcode is number is 57 and the name of the question is insert the interval. Okay, so you are given an array of non-overlapping intervals. Intervals where interval I equal to starts of I and ends of I represent starting and ending point, okay, of interval. Interval is sorted in ascending order, so it will start from ascending order. By start I, you are given an interval, new interval of start and end. So we will be given new interval that represents start and end of another interval. Okay, so we are given an one interval and another new interval. So what we have to do for new interval? Insert the new interval into the interval such that the interval still is sorted ascending order. So this is rule. We have to make it sorted only by start I, and the interval still does not have any overlapping interval. Okay, so we have to merge the overlapping here if necessary. So let's understand this problem by solving the question here. So we were given here 1 comma 3 and 6 comma 9. So we will have an interval starting from 1 and ending at 3, and another interval which will start from, it is not overlapping here, starting from 6 and ending point is 9. So now new interval which is given here, it starts from 2 and ends at 5. So in this case, in this interval where it is overlapping here. So we have to merge this interval into the new interval into the interval. So we have to see where it is merging, where it is overlapping. It is overlapping here. So what we have to do, we have to find the lowest of this element. Which one is lowest? The start point should be lowest. So which is the lowest here for start point is 1, and does 5 is overlapping at 6? No, the 5 is like first will be 5, then will be 6, so it's not overlapping here. So what we have to do here, we have to check for this guy's ending. So this guy's ending is we have to have a highest of this one. So in this case, the ending point is, which one is highest? 3 is highest or 5 is highest? So 5 is highest here. So this overlap will be 1 comma 5 and 6 comma 9. The output is 6 comma 9 and 1 comma t. We merge these 2 to 5 here and made 1 comma 5 and 6 comma 9. Does the answer have same question? Yeah, 1 comma 5 and 6 comma 9. Let's solve another problem to make it more clear. So they are given us 1 till 2 interval 1, then 3 to 5 another interval, then 6 to 7 another interval, then 8 to 10 another interval, then 12 to 16. Now the new interval is 4, starts from 4 and ends at 8. So now it is overlapping which here? So it is, does it overlap here? No. So we have to just say 1 comma 2. It is not overlapping here. Does 4 is overlapping between any of these? Yes, it is overlapping here. So we have to have the lowest value. What is the lowest value? Which one is lowest? 4 is lowest or 3 is lowest? Yes, of course 3 is lowest. So now you have to find the end point. Does 8 is overlapping 6? Yes, 8 is overlapping 6, and we have to check if it's overlapping. We have to check for another array. Does 8 is overlapping here? Yes, 8 is overlapping here. So 8, and we have to check the end point. Which one is lowest? 8 is lowest, 8 is highest. We have to find the highest one. 8 is highest or 10 is highest? Here 10 is highest, so we have to say 10 here. Now 12 and 16 will be also there here. The final output for this is 1 comma 6, 1 comma 2, 3 comma 10 and 12 comma 16. Thus we found the same output here. Yes, we found the same output. See, this is overlapping here, this guy is overlapping here, here and here. That's why we overlap. We took the lowest and highest. Simple case, lowest and highest. You have to do this much only. Just let's do live coding here. How we can solve this coding? Let's say what we have to do now first. First, what can we do? We have to find the length of the interval. After that, what we have to find? We have to create a 2D array. So we will create a 2D array now. And we will name them as answer, and it will be array list. Okay, we created a 2D array here. After creating 2D array, we have to check which one is lowest and which one is highest. So we have checked here also which one was lowest and which one highest. So this was the lowest and this one the highest, but also we have to check if it's overlapping or not. So we will iterate to the array for int I equal to 0, I is less than and I plus plus. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to use if intervals of I is overlapping with this guy or not. We have to check is less than new interval of, it's not as coming, okay, 0. Then if it is not overlapping here, in this case it was not overlapping here, we will just add this guy. So we will add answer dot add of interval of I. So we have done with this. We have checked for this one. Now what we have to do, we have to check if it is overlapping here. If it's overlapping, we have to add this one. Let's see here what it's doing here. For if interval of I and 0 so is less than new interval of 1. So here if it is less than this guy, what we have to do here? What we have to do? We have to just answer dot add new interval. We will just simply add the, if it is less than this guy, we have to just add it. In this case it was less than here, so we have to just add it here. It was less than here, we have to just add this before element. Else if, sorry, it should be else if. Now do else if interval. Now we have to check if the first and the last digit, like first of the interval is more than or equal to this one. So it is more than or equal to new interval of 0, or what we have to check. Now we didn't update it here, right? We have to update here also. So here the new interval will be equal to interval of I. Yes. And here what we have to do here, we have to check if interval of I 0 is less than or equal to new interval of 1. If that is the case, what we have to do here? If that is the case, what we have to do here? We have to add maximum and minimum. So we have done here also maximum and minimum. Let's see what is the maximum and minimum of new interval of which one is what we'll do for 0. So for 0, what we searched for, we wanted here minimum of this. So max dot minimum of new interval of interval should be of 0 comma and interval of I of 0. Okay, we have done for 0. Now what we have to do, we have to search for I have one value. So for this guy, what we have to do, we have to find a maximum. Here we got a maximum of 10. So like this only we have to do, copy this guy, we have to change some letter, copy this, sorry, and paste it. It didn't paste, huh? Copy and paste, and we have to change it to 1, and this will be max, this will be 1, and this one will be 1. After that we have to add the last interval. So answer dot add the last interval. After adding the last interval, what we have to do here, we have to return the answer. What should we do here? We have to return a integer to 2. So we have to do convert it to array, to array where new int size will be answer of size. Okay, let's run and see. Some error, we'll get it. Spelling mistake will be there. Yeah, what is this array? Oh, array list. Okay, I don't erase. Let's see another. Okay, now it should run. Yeah, it got accepted. Let's submit and see. Okay, it got submitted and it paid 99.26. Let's go for description here. We will copy this and we'll do dry run for this guy. Let's see the process, how it goes. Let's do dry run for this guy. Here, and we will make this static. Okay, let's start from this guy. So debug, stop and run. So what is the length here? We have to go down. We will create an answer here. We will check for this and we will add. If it is more than this, we will go down. It will check here, and it will say what is the maximum, what is the minimum, and it will keep on going. It will check again. It will check again. It will check again. Now new interval. What is the new interval value? The new interval is 1,5. So now it is getting added here. 1,5, which is less than. It will get added. Now it will check for another array. So it will go down, and it will add just 6,9. We have added everything, so it will return now answer. Skip. So let's see the output here. We are getting 1,5 and 6,9. This was the answer we needed. So first let's change the value to this guy now if you want. Let's see for this guy. Now this was 4,8. Okay, 4 comma 8. Just to run it, it's getting 1 2 comma. We will do debug also for this guy. We will do debug for this guy also. So it is going down. We will check. It will initialize the answer and the integer will be created. Then it will check if the interval is less than or equal to. If it is, then it will get added. It got added, so we got added for first element. Now the new interval will be it will check for 4 comma 8. Now you have to check for 4 comma 8 here. So it is not added here, it is not added. It will go here and it will say maximum and minimum here. It will check for maximum, it will get for minimum, and it will again look to it, and it will check again. It is not valid here. It will go again and it will go maximum and minimum here, and it will go skip, and it will check for again. It is not there. It will say for maximum and minimum. Now it will get added. Now in this case it will get added here. It will check, it will get added, and the new interval will be this guy. Now it will check for again. It will add the last interval, and it will return the array. Let's see what we got here. We are getting 3. Stop and run. 1 3 1 2 3 10 and 12 16. You have to give maximum and minimum of this guy. I hope you understood this problem. If you didn't get any steps, please do comment. I will truly help you. And if you like this video, please do like and please do comment, and please subscribe to my channel, and it will be great. 1K is the target. I'm hoping to get in 2-3 months if it's possible. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.